Hey, what's up? My name is Shivam and today we are taking a look at Elementor Hosting. There's a pro version of Elementor and a hosting. That includes hosting for your website, for your WordPress website, plus the pro version of Elementor. Let's see what we will discuss in this video. Also, all the resources and discount links are going to be in the description, so make sure you do check those out. First, we will talk about what is included in Elementor Hosting, its pricing, and compare it with other options. Then we are going to discuss how to get subscription, create your own custom domain. We'll see how to import templates and explore AI functionality. And then we will see how you can create pages and posts. We will also understand how you can customize the template according to your needs. Let's get started by addressing the big question: why Elementor Hosting instead of other hosting providers like A2 Hosting, SiteGround, etc. First, the other hosting providers are expensive and don't offer best value for money. They are slow and don't offer SSL, CDN feature, etc. Here it's included in even the basic subscription plan, along with some other features like auto backup, integrated caching tool, SFTP access, and database access for advanced users. Second being the complex interface of other web hosting services that makes it hard to set up and manage the website. With Elementor, things are much easier to set up and operate. Anyone can start making websites. It's easy as that. You will see that in a minute. And last, which is a major plus point, the pro version of Elementor plugin is included in the hosting plans. The plugin alone is $60 per year. We'll also see the power of this plugin while building our website. If you look at the pricing, these are all the subscription options. Main differences you will notice between these are the number of websites, storage space, monthly visits, and bandwidth. Which plan to pick? Well, it totally depends upon the purpose of your website. If it's going to be a static website of an architectural firm and that isn't supposed to get a lot of traffic, then you can get the basic one. If you are making an e-commerce website, then you should go with the business plan because you will be getting a lot of traction very soon. Or you can go with a grow plan if you have to manage multiple sites. Good thing is that it comes with a 30-day money back guarantee. So if you think it's not working for you, then you can definitely get your hard-earned money back. To create an account, you can simply go to the link in the description where you might find some discounts. From there you can see the pricing and pick whichever plan you like the most. Then enter the necessary details. Your account will be activated and we can start making the website. Now before we do that, let's start by talking about the other features that we get here with Elementor. First being, it is powered by Google Cloud and it needs no introduction, right? There are millions of businesses running on Google Cloud. This feature alone ensures that our site is secure and is running at peak performance. With all the plans, we get Cloudflare CDN. Now, CDN is a vital aspect for any website to perform at utmost speed. When a visitor visits our website, it automatically takes him to the nearest server of our website. That brings down the loading time, and you know every second wasting in loading is causing a drop in customers. SSL certificate are also included in all the plans. You know when your browser shows a lock icon in the URL box stating that it's secure. It also keeps user data secure, verifies ownership of the website, and prevents attacker from creating a fake version of the site, as well as gain users' trust. Staging tools helps in testing new features and design on a private copy of your website. So your main website is live while you are testing amazing new features, website designs at the back end. It automatically backups your website on a daily basis. So if anything goes wrong, you can just restore with one click. Caching tool is another feature that is integrated to the website that helps in creating a saved version of the website without having to fetch resources every time from the web server. Option to add a custom domain to your website is also there. Plus we can create a custom email address like business@yourdomain.com. Now there are two specific features that I would like to discuss in detail. First being, the whole suite is built on WordPress, which gives a lot of flexibility yet ease of use when building a website. We can customize it to any level and create any website that we can think of. Plus the learning curve is not that steep. I remember launching my WordPress website in a time span of 2 weeks. Although it wasn't perfect, but it was completely presentable. Second feature, which I already mentioned, is having a pre-installed installed Elementor Builder plugin. Now you might be asking, if WordPress is already so customizable, then why do we need this plugin? Good question. You can create pages and posts in WordPress by dragging and dropping blocks, but honestly it's quite limited when it comes to making the page like it was in your head. Also, you need to add codes here and there to customize it and make it look the way you like. On the other hand, Elementor Pro has a lot of blocks and it is very user friendly for both beginners and advanced users. It also has a better drag and drop interface than WordPress Gutenberg. Also, it has add-ons and plugins that can greatly extend the functionality of Elementor. Though something to note is that by excess use of code, you could make your pages slow, so keep that in mind. Let's delve deeper into how things work in WordPress and Elementor. After signing into your hosting account, this is what the dashboard looks like. It's just to manage the back end of the hosting. We don't need to come here too often after the initial setup. Here we can see all of our websites. I created this new account just for this video, so you can see how it all will be presented to you. Here I have one website. If you have multiple websites, then they will appear here. Also, the site is locked by default. Once you are ready to launch the website, you can remove this lock. From the sidebar, we can access our subscription, themes, brand assets like custom domain and email, etc. And they also provide free logo maker. By clicking here to manage this site, we can do a bunch of things at the back end, like we can remove the site lock, manage custom domains, email accounts, backups, and create a stage environment for experimenting with our website. Once we have set that up like domain, email and all, we can jump to WordPress dashboard and start cooking our website. For that, we can go to this URL where you replace your domain.com with yours. This will take us to the WordPress dashboard. It can be overwhelming at first, but trust me guys, it is easier than it looks. I will break everything down for you. By the way, it would be great if you could leave a like on this video. Starting off with the basics, any website is made up of two major building blocks, that is pages and posts. You can think of pages as the layout of different elements like videos, images, text blocks, headings, etc. You arrange these elements how you want your website to look like. Talking about the posts, you can think of it as the active content on your site. Like if you are running a review website, all those articles will be your posts. The difference between posts and pages is that pages are more like static content that you don't update on a regular basis. On the other hand, posts are the active content that you publish on a regular basis. Both elements are highly customizable and have almost the same fundamentals, but you can definitely make them look and work the way you want. That was about the pages and posts. We'll see in a minute how to create one and its fundamentals. But first, let's see the rest of the building blocks that make up a website. The thing that you see at the top of any website to navigate is called header menu, and one at the bottom is called footer. We can create both by going into the menu from appearance section. Something that adds to the visual of a website is theme. There are bazillion of options when it comes to themes for WordPress, and Vedo is a great place to get some. I will leave that down in the description as well. To extend the functionality of a website, we can install plugins. It widens the possibilities of what we can do with a WordPress website. Like we can improve our SEO, prevent our website from attacks, drastically improve our website speed by caching plugin, and much more. By the way, there is a caching plugin that comes with our hosting plan. We have user management. You can also think of them as your store customers. If enabled, they can create an account, comment on your posts, or if you sell products, they can order and do things like that. Lastly, we have some WordPress settings to play with and make it work the way we intend to. To get started, we can either do everything from scratch, or what I like to do is go to the Kit library and browse through all these pre-made templates and directly import that to my website. This gives a starting point. I try to import the one that matches my imagination, and then I can customize it. Let's import this one. It's imported, and this is how our website now looks like. We just have to customize it. To do so, we can go to pages, and here we can see all of our pages. I can also create some new pages from here as well. For now, let's customize the home page. Upon clicking edit with Elementor, it will take us to Elementor Pro plugin. Here we have our page preview on the right side and all the building blocks on the left side. And if I scroll down, you will be able to see that there are so many elements like heading, images, text boxes, buttons, maps, icons, posts, etc. To add new elements to the page, we just have to drag and drop. That's it. We can create sections, and in those sections, we can create rows and columns that hold all the elements. All these things can be moved by dragging live on the page. And not just that, we can go into settings of these items and add effects, adjust position, add margins, and much more. Nowadays, people browse mostly on their smartphones. We must not ignore this fact and make a website that is appealing on mobile devices. To view how the page would look like on a smartphone, we can click here and preview that. Now allow me to blow your mind. Recently Elementor added AI functionality to their builder. Now we may be asking, what's the need of AI here? Well, check this out. I can write a custom CSS code with AI. I can generate images for my website. Along with generating text like titles and description, that feels like chore to do. Isn't that cool? Once happy with the page, click update, and that's it. Our page is live. Now you know how to create pages. You can use this information, these fundamentals, to create posts as well. Making the site feel consistent, we must keep the same colors and fonts throughout the site. To make it happen, we can go to settings, and here we can set global colors and fonts. And whenever you want to change your website colors, you can come here and do that. Last but not least, I would like to show you the theme builder feature. From here we can manage the whole look and feel of our website. It consists of all the sections of our website like menus, single posts, archive, etc. In each section you will see the template that we are using on our website. For example, this is how the post will look like. If I edit this template, all the posts on my website will be updated. This helps to manage all the building blocks of our website. That wraps up most of the things. Overall, it's a great product. If you are looking to build your own website, then this is something worth checking out, and you can do so from the description below. I hope this review brought you a better understanding of Elementor and WordPress. If I left something, then do let me know in the comments below. Now if there is a plugin that I recommend for all WordPress users, here it is. And if you are looking for a way to manage your work and life, check out AnyDo from here. Like, share, subscribe, stay safe, bye bye.